Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. I was sent back again because the oven opening wants to hit the knob in the drawer and the blah blah blah. So what I have to do is unscrew this cabinet and move it over so this granite is touching this. So I don't know how big of a problem this is going to be. I guess we'll soon find out. I have to dig out the caulking, and I guess we'll get started with that. So I'm going to try to get in here with a razor knife and separate this. You gotta keep it separated. Alright, so that's cut out. So up in here I have screws into the studs. I gotta take the drawer out and find those. Alright, that's gonna be a problem. I gotta get that screw out of there. Alright, so I got that out of there, and I gave a little tug back, and I am technically out of from underneath that tile. So, why I'm not focusing. So I am gonna go, I guess, remove this trim molding. I gotta remove that. And let's see what we got here. Alright, so I got this moved over pretty close. This will have, I'll need a little piece of tile to put in there. I gotta cut this and put that little piece of tile in there. And get some gray paint out and touch that up, that shim. It's glued and nailed. And I could test fit this oven now, so let me give that a whirl.